Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel Learn with Fun by Medha. Today, we are going to do an interesting craft activity insisted by my son. One day, my son saw this two-dose turtle from Peppa Pig cartoon and he insisted to have a similar turtle like that. Oh, then I said, don't worry, let's try to make a similar turtle like that. So to make this turtle, we need scissors, chart paper, colors, glue, and most importantly, the egg tray. Yes, right, an empty egg tray. Now cut the hollow portion of the egg tray like this. This will be the back of the turtle. Now paint this back of the turtle like this and encourage your child to paint it nicely. So now we have painted the back of the turtle and wait for it to get dry. In the meantime, cut the legs and the face of the turtle as shown. Now stick these legs just below the back of the turtle we made. And in one of the strip, you need to draw nice eyes to make the turtle happy. Now last and final touch, we have to make scales on the back of the turtle as shown in the video. Isn't it great? So once we are done, this is how our nice cute little turtle will look. So I hope you all like this cute little turtle. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye.